Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a noticeable move in the exchange rates today. The US dollar jumped to a 14-month high against the euro as investors bet the US central bank would hike interest rates earlier than expected. This currency move pushed US stocks lower and saw the price of oil and gold fall. The US Fed also signalled that it wants the largest US banks to shrink. The pressure is about to be applied by tougher than Basel III rules over capital requirements. The Fed is ready for the fight. The US Treasury 10-year benchmark bond yield rose noticeably today and is now at 2.49%, and that rise may well flow through to the New Zealand swap rates later today, adding to yesterday's rises. Obviously, tomorrow's RBNZ monetary policy statement is keenly awaited too, not because of the prospect of a rate change, but to set the tone for the rest of the year. The price of oil and gold both fell overnight. The US oil price is unchanged on the day at just over $92 a barrel, but the Brent benchmark fell and is now at $99 a barrel. Gold also fell sharply, now at $1,253 an ounce. We start today with our currency lower against the US dollar. We're now just on 82.2 US cents, it's lowest in 7 months, but up against the Aussie at 89.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.7. We also fell sharply against the Chinese yuan. Locally, farm gate prices of some of our meat products are starting to rise. Beef prices especially are at or near 10-year highs, helped by a combination of rising demand from both China and the US. A lower currency will help too. I'm David Chaston. That is 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.